Welcome to Working Remote 11. I will be talking about jobs available for content marketing/content writers. Before we go any further, if you need to train in this area or educate yourself in the content marketing field, check out udemy.com for certified courses. Some of these courses are also free. Just another gem from Working Remote 11. Starting off, we got lifemarketing.com. Equipment is provided with Life Marketing. They have a video content creator position available. Go to lifemarketing.com/careers. Scroll down to open positions and choose your job. Diva.com for content marketing manager. Scroll down to the bottom of the website. Click on careers. Click on search jobs. Awesomemotive.com is looking for content writer. Click on join our team on the top right of the website. Scroll down and click on see open positions. Badmarketing.com has a Google Media buyer position available. Go to the bottom of the website. Click on join our team. Gamers.group have a content writer open position. Click on the career button top right of the website. Click on see open job listings. Click on view openings. I hope you appreciate these videos that I am putting out there. You show me that by like, share, and subscribe. Also look in the description box for more links to other videos working remote from anywhere in the world. Let me know in the comment what jobs or information you would like to see from Working Remote 11. See you in my next video.